Mikey, a high school student, today was the day of the history test, the one he didn't study for at all. Near the hallway stood a bright red fire alarm. One quick pull and the whole school would evacuate. No history test, no stress. It'll be fine, Mikey told himself as he reached for the alarm. The loud siren blared through the halls. Students gasped and teachers rushed out of classrooms. Soon after, the police arrived and Mikey was in big trouble. He not only faced detention and suspension, but his parents were also called, and his dream trip to Legoland was in danger of being cancelled. Mikey stood there full of regret. He finally understood that trying to escape a problem with a shortcut wasn't worth it at all. Sometimes, the hard way, like studying, is the only way.